In today's video, let us go through some of the ongoing projects in Ebonyi State that everyone is talking about. Well, just maybe it is not being talked about, but in today's video, allow me to take you through some of the ongoing projects that are currently going on in Ebonyi State. And at the end of this video, you tell me which one is taking too long to finish. Which one do you think is unnecessary at the moment? Ebonyi State, as we all know, is undergoing a major transformation with multiple ambitious projects shaping its future. But as exciting as these projects are, some are moving at a snail's pace, leaving many wondering why the delays. First on our list is the roads in the rural areas of Ebonyi State, especially the one in Ezza-Ofu-Iziogo road project. This construction is crucial for rural communities, linking key areas in Ebonyi State and making transportation smoother for traders and farmers. But here is the big question: why is this project still ongoing? Because I can remember when this project started, but it is still on. Only God knows why the delay. But regardless, we are happy that this construction is happening anyway. Many expected it to be completed months ago, like I said, yet progress has been slow. Could it be funding issues? Could it be poor planning? Or is it just the usual bureaucracy? What do you think? Let's hear it in the comments. Moving on to the second ongoing project is the 4-span Ebonyi Bridge. Now, let's talk about this Ebonyi Bridge along the 23 Ogbaga-Randa road. This road is nearly completed, except for this major bridge, which is delaying the entire project. Bridges are very expensive to build and very time consuming, no doubt. But shouldn't this have been prioritized before now? What could be holding this back? Let us also know in your comments. There's this new estate currently undergoing construction in Abakaliki as we speak. The estate is opposite the Chiboy motor parks in Abakaliki. This one has sparked a lot of conversations. The estate under construction opposite Chiboy is something that started last year. It's still quite understandable to know that it might take a while. This project promises to provide modern housing for Ebonyans, but let's be honest, it's still under construction for a while now, and we are hoping it comes out beautifully fine. For those based in Abakaliki, would you love to buy a home here once it's completed? Let me know in the comments. Okay, we have the signature project Vanco Flyover. This is a very much talked about project, the Vanco Flyover, one of the signature projects of the current administration. This flyover is meant to ease traffic congestion and improve connectivity in Ebonyi State. But over a year now, it seems there's no improvement at all. But the question remains, is this the best use of funds right now? While many see it as a great infrastructure project, others argue that money should be spent on rural developments first. What do you think? Was this flyover necessary at this time, or should other projects have been completed first? Tell us your opinion. And then there is the University of ICT of Ife. This is a game-changing project for education in Ebonyi State, the University of ICT. It's a major investment in technology and higher education, and many believe it could position Ebonyi as a hub for digital learning in Nigeria. But how soon will it be completed? Are the facilities up to standard, or will the facilities be up to standard? And most importantly, will it create enough opportunities for the youth? So there you have it, ongoing projects in Ebonyi State. If you have any other one you have in mind that I didn't mention in this video, kindly put that in the comments section. Some are progressing well, as we can see, while others seem to be taking forever. Now over to you. Which projects are you most excited about? Which one do you think is dragging for too long? And what do you think is causing the delays? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We'll see you in our next video.